In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can use customized assets in Enscape, and you can use it in any Enscape that you have installed. And so basically we are here in the asset customization panel. So all we need to do is add a new category. Now this is in Italian probably because my system is in Italian right now, but it's pretty simple. So you just add a new category. So I'm going to just type new and you can see the category right there. And you can add a new project or create a new project. So I'm going to go to new project and I'm going to start with a new asset here. So you need to give a name to the asset and a description, and also you can put a category. So if it's a chair, or you can also create a customized category again. So otherwise you can pick the ones that are already there. So let's say I want to do like an armchair. So I'm going to go, I think, with this. So it's going to be comfortable chair. And then I just need to click on the import geometry button on the top right. And now I navigate into my computer and select an FBX file. So I'm going to select FBX, and it has also the texture with it. And this is coming from Polyoven, so you can go there and download FBX. We already saw that in other video guys. So if you search in the channel, you will find it. That's the icon also to run the Enscape asset editor directly from Windows without entering Enscape. So you can use it again for any Enscape. And that's the chair right there. So also you can see it's getting the materials, it's downloading or uploading the material. So just be patient and you will find all the texture right there. If you don't find it, you need to manually assign them, just like you usually assign materials in Enscape. So if you want, you can check the Enscape video course for more information. And the last thing we need is to define a little thumbnail. So I'm going to click on the little camera icon down there, and that's going to generate a thumbnail, and eventually it's going to let me save the asset right there. So at the bottom, you find the button to save. Also, you can put a location, and here you can save and export. So by doing this, you are successfully saving your new custom asset that you can use in Enscape. And that's going to use the proxy of Enscape. So it's going to look like any other asset in Enscape. It's going to look simplified so that it doesn't, it's not heavy when you render it real time in Enscape. And that's it. So it's pretty simple. You can continue to add new projects, new categories, and go on and continue with new ones. So I hope this guide helps you. Also up there you can configure the directory of the project. You can choose a folder where to store the projects, and also where to output the projects. And anytime you can go back and change or edit the asset. So just select it in the list here. You can see the little thumbnail. That's what is needed. And then you have the little arrow. If you click on the download icon there, you can just continue to go back and edit as many times as you want. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next.